Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our grille letter options for the 66 to 77 Broncos. The 1966 to 77 Broncos have never been so popular, from stock restorations to wild customs. With so many ways to restore these classic machines, having different options is a great benefit. Dennis Carpenter now offers 4 different versions of the grille letters for the early Broncos. First, we carry the standard letters found on the Broncos with the sport package, trim, and above. They are chrome-plated with the standard red accents. For a custom option, we also have a chrome version with Ford blue accents. And with black chrome becoming a popular customizing trend, we have also made 2 versions to suit your taste. We have both a shiny black chrome letter set and a satin black set, both with red accents to match most of your black chrome accessories, like many custom wheel options on the market today. All of these letter sets come complete with the speed nuts for a trouble-free installation and are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company. So you can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.